Hello, I'm Dr. A.M. Deshmukh. I'm President of Microbiologist Society, India. Today, again, I'm here to talk with you and to make you fearless. The reason is that what I observed today, society is very panic. Society is very afraid of the coronavirus. Why? Because you and I are watching the TV news, and regularly on the TV news there are news of increasing coronavirus patient in the different parts of India, in different parts of world. Specifically, Italy and America news are making us panic. But today I am going to tell you something different as a microbiologist. Sir, is really we should afraid? Again I am going to tell you, Italy example should not be given. The reason is that in the Italy, the old population was very high. In Italy, more than 65 years age, there was a 23% people. Whereas in India, only 6% people are above 65 years age. In Italy, there are only 35% population below 35 years age. In India, 65% population is below 35 years age. I mean to say you that in India, young population is very high. In Italy, old population is high. Take an example of America. Everyone is giving example of America that 22,000 people died during last month due to corona. Now, I will compare with the regular death in India. Before coronavirus, in India, 22,000 deaths were occurring per day. Per day death rate was 22,000. Maybe because of the many other diseases, maybe accident, maybe some other reasons. Meaning is that in India, many other diseases are there for which care must be taken. Example, I will tell you. 2,000 people die every day in India. Not people, sorry. Children below 5 years age die every day in India. Among them, 1/3 die because of the malnutrition. So, whether malnutrition is not the major problem in India, where the money should be diverted, where the care should be taken. Now again, people are telling, my friends are telling me that, sir, lockdown should be continued until and unless we don't achieve zero infected population in India. You see, to achieve a zero population in different parts, in different districts, just in one example I will give you, Bilavda. In that, everyone is appreciating that they brought zero rate and it should be model. As a microbiologist, I don't feel it is important. Why? Because for how many days you will continue this lockdown? Can you continue for 6 months? If we continue for 6 months, what will happen to the economy of India? What will happen to the employment in India? Again, someone will say for 2 months. Again, I am asking him question. If you continue lockdown for 2 months in different parts, in different districts, and we assume that it is a zero, it is not actually zero. Because some hidden cases may be there in the society which has not expressed symptoms. They are called as a silent carriers. Meaning is that what we assume zero is not actually zero. There are silent carriers. And unless and until there is a single silent carrier, it may again repeat the cycle. After 2 months, if we uplift the lockdown, within 15 days, same situation will occur. And your question will be, then what is the solution, sir? The solution is that now India is well prepared to fight with the corona. India has now enough beds. India has enough ventilators. May not be high, but good quantity of ventilators. India has good quantity of testing centers. Enough testing kits. Still more are required, but it will achieve within still 20 more days are there. So, what we should do now, we should be ready to fight with the corona and allow the society to continue their normal duties. It's a rule of viral disease. When 50% population get infected with the viral disease, automatically viral disease is controlled. So, allow young people to get infected, they will not die. Only take precaution of old people. How we can take a precaution of old people? Isolate them, educate other family members of that house, that family. Tell them that you take extra care of your parents above 65 years age or any person in your family having high risk. Take over precaution. We are having enough kids. With the help of kids, testing should be increased. And if at all the patient is there, treat the patient. That should be the now solution to fight with the corona, not extending the lockdown. Second important thing again I am going to tell you that in India there is a need to control the news on the TV channel. TV channels are giving the news which are creating panic among the society. I don't say they are doing deliberately, but they don't know the microbiology. So for that purpose, I will request every TV channel, before giving news, consult to the epidemiologist, consult to the microbiologist, or government should form one regulatory authority to control the news on the TV channel. One example I will give. One TV channel has given a breaking news that in such and such district, 20 young people got infected with the coronavirus. Is it a breaking news? Because young people are going to infect with the coronavirus. It's not a news. News meaning is that if death has occurred, that is a news. And among 20 people, although they got infected, there will not be a single death, we are telling you. So why you are giving a breaking news and creating a fear among the society? So every one of us should take care, be ready, don't be afraid. Young population in our country is very high, so nothing to worry. Only take precaution that if the lockdown is increased, our young generation is going to affect. State government will take the loan, national government will take the loan to cope up the situation. But the refunding of the loan is a responsibility of coming young generation. So don't increase the load of loan on coming young generation. Don't deprive the jobs from young generation. That is your duty and my duty. So thank you very much. Thank you. Take the precaution. Be safe and cooperate to the government. Thank you very much.